especially in classics. 1930 Ford Model A 5-window coupe rumble seat car. Dual side mounts also. Of course, L-head 201. Inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood. That's paired up with a manual transmission. 3-speed manual, of course. This one does have the 2-speed rear end. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, that rumble seat area. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Of course, spoked wheels. Now, as far as the paint in this, it does show imperfections there, as you can see in the fenders, some up on the side hoods. Tell you what, to me, on these Model A's, kind of adds that charm and character to them. Drive it, have some fun. Cool parade car, your local roll-ins and cruise-ins, or just taking it out to be able to drive a car that's coming up on 100 years old. Interior, of course, bench seat up front. We'll get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let you hear it run. Take a little peek underneath that hood. First, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And you wonder where the later model has got their term trunk from. This one has an actual trunk for storage. There's also some miscellaneous things in there that you're going to see in the pictures. You know, there's a jack, a few miscellaneous parts. Of course, the rumble seat under here. I tell you what, when we started up and I opened the hood, I'll open that back too so we can take a peek at the rumble seat. I always tell the rumble seat cars, you got the step to there, step there, and then in the back. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. And again, there's imperfections in the paint. Like I said earlier, kind of adds to the charm of it. And then to have a 5-window coupe rumble seat car with dual side mounts, kind of cool. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. And we'll fire it up too. So there's door panels, of course, a little storage area. Seating area. Kind of a cloth or velour, I guess, if you will. By the way, the horn in this one, it's got a good ooga horn. All right, instead of a key, all you need to do is flip this down. That engages the ignition. There is a dead man switch underneath the driver's seat here, or battery disconnect, whichever you'd like to call it. Starter, of course, down on the floor. There is also a gas switch right here. I have that turned on, and a choke here. We're not going to need that. We're just going to hit the gas. Or hit the starter, excuse me. This baby ice fires right up. And as you can see right here, it's a T-pull for that 2-speed rear axle. We are in neutral. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. Obviously the Model A's with their distinct sound. Alright, let me slip up to the front here. I'm going to get one, maybe both of these hood panels open, so at least take a little peek at the engine bay, and I'll show you that rumble seat too. And remember to stick around to the very end of this video, and we'll take this car for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road. Alright, I opened up the passenger side here. Take a look at that. I wanted to show you there is another fuel shutoff right here. So you got one there and underneath the dash. And as you can see, intake and exhaust manifold, of course, the 4 plugs in the top. Pretty basic engine bays back in the day. Again, 201 L-head. Here it purr right along. Inline 4-cylinder. And then, of course, rumble seat. Black vinyl back here. Why don't you take a peek at that. Like I said, fun parade vehicle, or just your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. What a fun classic. And stick around, we'll take this one for a drive. 1930 Ford Model A, 5-window, good looking coupe. Rumble seat, dual side mounts. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1930 Ford Model A. As you can see, it is winter outside, but the roads are primarily dry, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you.